Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy but effective natural hairspray and a natural flexible hold styling gel. Now you may have already seen my video where I've shown you how to create a really strong hold hair gel using natural materials. Well, in this video today, I'm pleased to bring you a material that provides natural materials but a flexible hold. So I've just done a couple of curls here. You can see they're nice and flexible, but they're holding well even in my long hair. And I just styled it using these simple spongy rollers. Now this material doesn't handle heat styling, but if you use the hairspray after you've styled the hair, and if you use simple foam rollers like this and a gel, which I've also created for you, and if you apply this in the hair and then allow the hair to dry naturally, you'll see you get this really good, flexible and natural hold. So let me show you how it's made. So this is the hairspray, as you could see, and it sprays really easily, and you just need to spray that onto the style and allow it to fully dry. Don't use heat after applying. This material doesn't handle heat, but it holds the style really well when you're not using heat or after you've already styled it. Now in here I've got water and some glycerin based extracts. That's just to tell the product story. And to this I'm going to add the MaizeCare Style Polymer. Now this is a hydrolyzed cornstarch. It is all natural. And I'm just going to disperse this through. And then I'm going to heat it gently to dissolve it. Now don't heat it over 50 degrees, it just needs to be held at 50 degrees and stirred, and you can see it's completely dissolved the rest of that cornstarch for me now. Now I'm going to make a solubilized component, and this is just so that I have a little bit of fragrance present, and this is from my essential oils. So I've got some essential oils, a little bit of antioxidant there, and I'm just going to solubilize this. And then add this to my water phase. Then I'm just going to add my preservative and check and adjust pH. Don't worry about the little bit of foam on the day you make it. That will settle out very easily and you'll be left with your hairspray. Now I also made a gel version, and I have this available for you as well. Just contact us for the free formulas and supplier details on both. As you can see here, this is the gelled version. This is what I've used to hold my curls in place. I put this on my hair and then I set it using these foam rollers. One of the things I really liked about this material and the hairspray and the gel compared to other products that I normally use is it doesn't feel sticky and tacky at all. And especially if you're comparing it to PVP, PVP has a very tacky, sticky feel and can make the hair quite brittle. There's no crackling, my hair is so soft to touch, and it's a nice flexible hold, as you can see, and absolutely no stickiness to it. Now the supplier of this material also has some great humidity data. You can see how well curls hold up when exposed to humidity. Well, there you go. That's how to create a natural hairspray and natural flexible styling gel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!